Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn music composition for beginners. First, immerse yourself in the basics of music theory. Understanding scales, intervals, and chords is crucial for building any musical idea. Next, actively listen to and analyze existing music, focusing on how melodies are constructed and how harmonies support them. Finally, start experimenting with simple ideas on an instrument or a basic music software. Once you have the basics, dive deeper into core composition elements. Rhythm and meter are the heartbeat of your music, dictating its flow and energy. Experiment with various melodic shapes. A simple ascending or descending line can evoke vastly different feelings. Then, explore harmonic progressions, learning how chords interact to create a sense of anticipation and resolution, guiding your listener through the piece. Consistent practice is key to developing your compositional voice. Try to compose a short musical idea every day, even if it's just a few measures. Don't be afraid to share your work and ask for constructive feedback. It's invaluable for growth. As you progress, explore orchestration and instrumentation to understand how different instruments contribute to a rich and varied sound. This expands your creative possibilities significantly. To truly expand your musical horizons, delve into more advanced techniques like counterpoint, which involves combining independent melodic lines. Also, study musical forms such as sonata or rondo to give structure to longer compositions. Don't limit yourself to one genre. Exploring different styles will enrich your compositional vocabulary. And hey, life's too short for cheap socks, so check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.